Waste companies have warned they may increase prices for recycling bin collections to make up for the loss of bottles and cans to the new deposit return scheme. They say the containers are the most valuable items in household green bins, and they're losing millions of euros in sales to manufacturers since the scheme began. A waste industry source said that aluminium cans, which can be recycled indefinitely, were worth between €800 and €1,400 per tonne on the recyclable materials market. PET plastic, which is used in beverage bottles, loses quality the more it is recycled, so is worth less, but still works out around €500 per tonne. The source said that waste companies stand to lose up to €15 million a year as a result of the introduction of the deposit return scheme. They also claimed there was an understanding within the Department of the Environment before the deposit return scheme began that the waste industry would be protected from any financial losses. A spokesperson for the department said talks were taking place with the waste industry representative body, but did not concede that the deposit return scheme was having a major impact on bin collectors. They said the department is engaging with Repack, the industry body that collects fees from companies who generate packaging waste and uses them to subsidise the cost of its collection for recycling. A spokesman for the Irish Waste Management Association, meanwhile, confirmed it was also in talks with the department on the impact of the scheme, but would not say if member companies were considering price increases.